how to restore purchases on App Store. So first of all, what I need to do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my App Store. All right. Next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my avatar icon at the top right, and you're gonna see it on pink. Next step, what I'm gonna do, obviously, I'm gonna go ahead to the first option, which is purchase. Okay. And from this purchase, you can search for the apps that you already purchased on inside the App Store, and you can re-download it or revisit it again. And you can see it from here. As you can see, I have Bybit. I have plenty of apps. And if you want to search for the app that you want exactly, just go ahead and tap the keywords, okay, to re-download this app or to revisit this app. If you are looking for the apps that not in this iPhone, go ahead and click not on this iPhone, and you're gonna search obviously for the apps that not inside this iPhone, and you're gonna just type the name of that app, and you can revisit it or re-download it once again. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.